What should you do after no contact? You stood firm, stayed silent, and let her truly feel your absence. But now you've reached the most important phase. If you handle this part the wrong way, all the effort you've invested could work against you. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to make her pursue you, spark her desire again, and secure your place as the high-value man she finds impossible to resist. Stay with me, because this is the game changer you've been waiting for. Section 1. Why no contact is only the beginning. No contact isn't the finish line, it's the starting point of a smart strategy. Think of it like resetting a chessboard. By stepping back, you created space that allows her to notice and reflect on your absence. Here's the crucial part. What you do next decides whether she runs toward you or keeps moving away. Many men believe going no contact is the full strategy, but it's only a tool. Without the right follow-up, its effect slowly fades. Picture this. During no contact, she has likely gone through an emotional roller coaster. At first, your silence might make her feel empowered, as if she's won. But as time passes, doubt begins to creep in, and she starts wondering if you're truly gone for good. That thought alone pushes her to think about you more. But if you break the silence in a way that feels weak or desperate, you erase all that progress. One wrong move here can undo weeks of discipline and make her feel she was right to walk away. That's why your next step matters so much. It either strengthens your image as a high-value man or destroys the perception you worked hard to build. Remember, no contact gives her the opportunity to experience what life feels like without you. It plants a seed of curiosity, but what you do afterward is what nurtures that seed. This isn't about playing games. It's about reinforcing your value and showing that your absence wasn't just an emotional reaction. It was a deliberate choice. A man who understands his worth always has a plan, and now it's time to carry it out. Section 2. Observe her first moves. The period right after no contact is crucial because her behavior will reveal her true intentions. Pay close attention to what she does, not only what she says. Does she text you unexpectedly? Does she like your social media posts or start sharing things that seem aimed at you? These are all signals, but here's the key. Don't jump to conclusions. Give yourself time to read the situation carefully. For example, if she sends a simple "hey," it may look small, but it's often her way of testing the waters. She wants to see if you'll reply instantly or if you've truly moved on. This is where patience becomes your greatest strength. By not reacting too quickly, you show that you're not easily shaken. High-value men don't rush, they evaluate. Even her silence can send a message. If she doesn't reach out, it doesn't automatically mean she's over you. Sometimes women mirror your behavior to see if you'll be the first to break. She may be waiting for you to make the first move, but instead of panicking, use this time to invest in yourself. The goal is to stay calm and strategic, understanding that her early actions are only the first layer of what's really going on in her mind. Section 3. Reignite the attraction. Now that the door to communication is starting to open, your next move is to gently bring the spark back. This isn't about big gestures or dramatic messages. In fact, less effort often creates a stronger impact. The goal is to remind her why she was attracted to you in the first place, but in a way that feels smooth and natural. Start with a reply that feels confident and neutral. For example, if she reaches out with something simple like, "Hey, it's been a while," responding with, "Hey, how's everything?" works perfectly. It shows you're open to talking, but not overly eager. Stay away from heavy conversations or bringing up the past. Keep things light, playful, and interesting. You want her to feel at ease talking to you without feeling pressure. This is where many men make mistakes. They try to jump right back into the same dynamic they had before no contact. Don't do that. Instead, let her see that you've grown. Maybe you've started a new hobby, reached a personal goal, or made positive changes in your life. Show, don't brag. When she notices that you're not the exact same person she once knew, It naturally rebuilds attraction and helps her see you differently. Section 4. Build curiosity. Curiosity is a powerful emotion, and at this stage it becomes your strongest ally. The less she knows about everything you've been doing, the more she'll want to discover it. But that doesn't mean disappearing completely. It means being selective about what you choose to share. For example, you might post a photo of yourself hiking a trail, attending an event, or working on a personal project. These small updates show that you're living a full and active life without her. But here's the key. Don't overdo it. Posting too frequently or making it obvious that you're trying to get her attention can backfire. The goal is to spark interest without making it seem like you're looking for validation. Curiosity also plays a role in your conversations. When you do interact, avoid revealing everything at once. If she asks what you've been up to, share just enough to keep her interested. The more you leave to her imagination, the more she'll want to know. Handled the right way, these steps put you in a strong position to make her pursue you, rebuild attraction, and stay intrigued. Remember, this is about staying calm, showing your growth, and letting curiosity do its work. Be patient and strategic. Your actions will speak louder than words. When she asks about your life, give her a glimpse, but leave her wanting more. For example, if she asks, "What have you been up to?" you might reply, "A lot of exciting things. I'll tell you about it sometime." This keeps her curious and encourages her to invest more effort into discovering what's happening in your world. Section 5. Keep the emotional balance. One of the biggest challenges after no contact is staying emotionally balanced. It's easy to get swept up in the excitement of reconnecting, but this is exactly where many men lose their footing. They become too available too fast, undoing the progress they built during no contact. To avoid this, keep your emotional state steady. Don't let her behavior control your feelings or your responses. Whether she seems warm and enthusiastic or distant and reserved, your approach should remain consistent. This steadiness shows confidence and also creates a feeling of safety and trust. Emotional balance also means maintaining boundaries. If she brings up past conflicts or tries to test your patience, don't allow it to shake you. Respond calmly and firmly, showing that you're in control of your emotions. This level of maturity strengthens your value and sets the tone for how the relationship should move forward. Section 6. Let her prove her value. No contact has done its work, but the story doesn't end there. When she reaches out, one of the biggest mistakes men make is rushing to place her back on a pedestal. Not this time. This is your opportunity to reshape the relationship dynamic. Now it's her turn to show her value. Here's the reality. Relationships are strongest when both people invest equally. After no contact, the balance naturally shifts in your favor. She has felt your absence, missed your presence, and may have even questioned her own decisions. This is your moment to make sure she truly recognizes your worth. So how do you do that? Calmly and with intention. When she texts or calls, don't fall into the trap of being overly available. Respond, but with purpose. If she suggests meeting up, don't agree instantly. Instead, say something like, "Let me check my schedule and get back to you." This isn't about being cold or dismissive. It's about showing that your time is valuable and that your life doesn't pause for anyone. When you do engage, shift your attention to her actions. Is she putting in effort to rebuild the connection? Is she showing that she respects and values your time? If the answer is no, don't be afraid to take a step back. You've already shown that you can walk away, and that's exactly what makes you hard to replace. Let her understand that being with you isn't guaranteed. It's something she has to earn. Section 7. Be the man she can't replace. Walking away wasn't only about creating distance, it was about giving yourself room to grow. Now it's time to show that growth. Women are strongly drawn to men who have purpose, ambition, and the ability to stand firmly on their own. These qualities make you unforgettable and ensure that no one else can easily fill the space you once held in her life. Start by asking yourself, what have I done during no contact to improve myself? Whether it's going to the gym, advancing in your career, or exploring new interests, these changes aren't just for her, they're for you. And here's the truth. She will notice when she sees the stronger, improved version of you. It will trigger a strong realization in her mind that losing you would mean losing something rare. You don't need to show off your growth in an obvious way. Subtlety works in your favor. Mention a new project you're involved in, or casually refer to something you've recently achieved. This helps her see you as someone who is always evolving, someone who doesn't stay stuck in the past. That kind of energy is magnetic. What makes this so effective is that it touches one of her deepest fears, losing someone she can't replace. By focusing on becoming the best version of yourself, you naturally reinforce the idea that you are one of a kind. Section 8. Stay in control of your emotions. Reconnecting after no contact can feel like walking through an emotional minefield. You may feel a rush of excitement when she reaches out, but this is where many men lose their advantage. They allow their emotions to control their actions. If you want to maintain the balance of power, you must remain calm, steady, and in control. Picture this. She reaches out after weeks of silence. Your first instinct might be to respond right away, spilling everything you've been feeling. Resist that temptation. Instead, pause, take a breath, and think carefully about a reply that aligns with your long-term goals. Remember, your aim isn't just to win her back. It's to create a relationship built on mutual respect and emotional balance. Staying in control doesn't mean being cold or distant. It means responding thoughtfully and keeping your composure, even if her messages are charged with emotion. If she brings up past conflicts or tries to test your patience, don't react impulsively. Respond with calm confidence, showing that you're steady and not easily shaken. This emotional control not only makes you more attractive, but it also establishes the standard for how the relationship will operate moving forward. She'll begin to see you as someone grounded, confident, and capable of handling life's challenges without losing control. It's a rare quality, one that's naturally hard to resist. Section 9. Create a vision she wants to be part of. When you reconnect, it's not just about restoring what existed before, it's about building something even better. Women are drawn to men with vision, men who know where they're going and what they want from life. If you can show her a glimpse of a future she wants to be part of, she won't just want you back. She'll be motivated to join you on your journey. Start by getting clear on your own goals. What do you want to accomplish in the next year, 5 years, or even 10? When your vision for your life is clear and focused, it naturally attracts the right people, including her. When you share that vision with her, not in a bragging way, but as part of a genuine conversation, it sparks a natural desire for her to connect with your purpose. For instance, if you're building a business or chasing a personal passion, talk about it with energy and confidence. Let her see the drive and ambition that motivates you. This isn't about trying to impress her, it's about showing that your life has direction, with or without her. The beauty of this approach is how it changes the dynamic entirely. Instead of you trying to fit into her world, she'll be eager to fit into yours. It creates a strong sense of alignment and turns the relationship into a partnership, not a one-sided chase. Section 10. Never forget your worth. As you move through the post-no contact phase, there's one thing you must always remember: your own worth. Walking away and implementing no contact were acts of self-respect. They demonstrated both to her and to yourself that you value your time, your energy, and your emotional well-being. That same self-respect should guide every choice you make from here on out. Here's the truth. Not every woman will see your worth, and that's perfectly fine. What truly matters is that you recognize it. If she isn't willing to meet you halfway or put in the effort to rebuild the connection, don't hesitate to walk away again. Remember, you're not just looking for someone who wants you. You're looking for someone who values and respects you. Self-worth is magnetic. When you carry yourself with confidence and assurance, people naturally gravitate toward you. But this isn't just about getting her back. It's about maintaining the standards you've set for yourself. This ensures that any relationship you enter is built on mutual respect and genuine appreciation. By holding on to your self-worth, you protect yourself from unhealthy dynamics and send a clear message. Being with you is a privilege, and that is a message she will never forget. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you gain clarity and confidence, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more insights on relationships and self-growth. For exclusive perks and deeper content, consider becoming a subscriber of Braintrophy. I'll see you in the next one.